soft, beautiful, and strong. To be soft is not to walk through life with a lack of assertiveness. To be soft is not to have no boundaries. But to be soft is to have enough bravery and resilience to stand tall and keep your feet in the ground. Being soft is beautiful. In life, many things are about to happen. And because we design our own lives, we tend to make the most beautiful. Life is not a destination, but a journey, and so is growth. Life is not static, but dynamic, and so is growth. Life is like the thread of the machine, always forming and crushing, and designed to make, always going with the formation for change. Let us embrace the idea that we can design our own lives, mold it and improve it to our own liking. And as with everything that is worthwhile in life, it will require honesty and hard work. Being soft is beautiful, but what makes it greater is when we show off our strength. Let us all be women with purpose and with resilience. A woman who has lived her life to become the source of her own energy and not from others. A woman who serves as an inspiration to others. In the past years, I met a woman who is so soft-hearted. She speaks calmly, and I got to talk with her about life. Every time I remember her, I also reminded of the good things that I've learned from her. She really is a woman with a purpose and living her life to give the glory in her community. Just like her textile, soft in texture, with the beautiful designs such as uritan, puricos, and sinansabong, and as strong as it is being used by natural fibers. She is a living legend of being a soft, beautiful, and strong woman. With enough determination, passion, and inspiration, she weaved her own destiny by becoming a national living treasure. She is Nana Magdalena Gamayor.
Gamayo kasi Pinili. The template na rin.
Thank you so much, Miss Pinili.